time, nigga. I'ma take my time, walk. Power moves on, man. Boy, I'm about my business on business. I drink liquor on liquor. I have women on women. Yeah, that's punk bad bitches. I done live more than the 80-year-old man still kicking. Cause they live for some moments.
It's been 23 hours, Jay. 23 hours since my last promo. You haven't responded yet. I spent majority of my Saturday by my phone waiting for you to drop something on Facebook, and you haven't done nothing. What's wrong, Jay? It was you that said I wasn't about that life. Where you at, Jay? Come at me, bro. It's amazing. You can talk all this shit. Talk about how you want Emmy, this, that, and the other. But you're not doing shit. That you got the match. I'm going to address you a little bit later. I want to take a moment out of this promo. I would like to address Davey Crank, Cad, and Stewie. The three wrestlers that have a match when it gets a title shot at my United States Championship. I will be watching all three of you. Not just a match. I will be watching your promo series. I want to see who's going to bring it. Right now, all three of you don't deserve shit for real. And I'm about to tell you why. Davey Crank. The fact that you even in the United States title picture is an insult. After you got destroyed by me at the last event, I'm surprised that you want to go through this again. You're at the point where you can't even do a good promo no more. It's like you start off good, then you end up all over the place, talking all this crazy Illuminati shit. You got the nerve to talk about somebody putting a bottle down? Put your pipe down. Get off the weed. It's fucking with your mind more than what the fuck you think it is. You think everything's a fucking conspiracy? You don't like how shit is done? Get the fuck out. I'm glad you came back, but you're not doing shit with it. Stewie, Glitter Ghost, Gomez, Raphael, whoever the fuck you calling yourself these days. You are another person who has complained about the champions in the past. Fuck, you still do. Here's one thing though. You complain about the title holders, but you have yet done anything to show why you deserve to be champion. Why? You want the title, Stewie? The fuck you gonna do to get it? You have an opportunity to finally do something. Please do not half-ass in this promo series. Don't give that same boring bullshit that you've been doing, that 50-50 bullshit. I've seen what the fuck you're capable of, Stewie. Please put something into this. Treat this like you actually treat your wrestling career with the other company. Care. Are you really looking forward to this match? Are you looking forward to going against me if you win? Are you really? After all the bullshit that you've done to me, all the times you'll throw me under the bus, many times you done screwed me out of championships, wins, etc. You've buried me, you've beaten me, and I'm still here. I'm standing tall. For the first time in your career, you have zero control over the outcome of your matches. How does that feel, kid? How does it feel to be just a wrestler? To be just like me? It sucks that you can't bury people no more, doesn't it? This is, the old regime is over, kid. No more putting out one promo and having your opponent carry the entire promo series and you still bury them. That shit is done with. You better put in some work in this triple threat match. If you do win, I'll even give you the stipulation that I know that you want. Our match could be 4 stages of hell. Jay, it's funny that you mentioned boring. Let's see. What have you done since the era of Jay? What? You've been boring as fuck since you lost the DMVF title. You've been basic, unoriginal, and bland as shit. This is the same man that needed a hamster to sell his promos. Same guy that needed a hamster to get a laugh out of the DMVF locker room. The same guy that came into this federation with absolutely nothing. You talk about boring, Jay. You are the most boringest motherfucker I ever met. That promo I did last night, that was just to start it off. This is just Saturday. We have a long, long time to go. I hope you're ready, Jay. Till my next promo, I'll talk about your title history next.